channel. I am here today to do an Etsy shop share and show y'all my Frumpy little hand journal. I call it a hand journal because it's, not much bigger than a hand pie. And, I just thought it was a good name for these size journals. I think it's absolutely delicious. And I was going to keep it for myself because I use so many things that I love in this journal. And that was the intent, was to keep it for myself. And then, my husband and a good friend of mine was like, you can make yourself stuff anytime. You have your Etsy shop and order because it's a business, So, sell it and make you one later or whatever. So I haven't been able to make and sell stuff recently, and I absolutely need to be on top of doing that. So here it is. So to whoever gets my Frumpy hand journal, I hope you love it as much as I do because I love it. All right, let's start here on the outside. The cover is made from a doily. It's an oblong oval doily, and it's got lace on it wrapped around here and a really pretty applique. It does have a Velcro closure. And I've got a mother of pearl charm here with a little bit of lace tied on top. And over here, I've got a dangle on a ball pin. And I've just got some really pretty little pieces here. I made this piece of jewelry, one of my favorites that I attached, and a pretty little prism here. And I just love the applique. We've got lots flowing out the bottom like always, and some coming out the top. And a little ball pin here. Okay, let's go inside. See, Velcro closure. And in here, it is made with my Ledgers digital kit. And if you are interested just in the papers, you can find my Ledgers digital kit in my Etsy shop as well. Got a pretty little applique, couple little appliques down here. These pages I thought would be the perfect side to write some blessings down in. That was my thought. Just write some blessings. Specifically going in the Bible and finding blessings and writing them, or writing down prayers or gratitudes, or, things like that. This little card that I made. More appliques. Doilies. But there is room to write. It's just, smaller. Pretty little piece of lace. Some little pearl dangles. A little pharmacy ticket. I made this. Well, I did not make this little tag. I made some of this little tag. Some of this is my creation, and some of this I got already made like this. And the rest I added. So some I created. Now I embellished it. More doily here. More of the Ledgers paper. Pretty little applique piece here from a wedding dress. A little paper clip. Again, plenty of places to write or to jot quick notes down on. Oh, I love that paper, part of my Ledgers paper. It's like a shabby, grungy ledger paper kit. Oh, I didn't even show these little dangles here. Cute little flower dangles. So adorable. There's a little tag. And again, room to write on the back of that if you wanted to. A cash receipt. Here's a little envelope. And inside the envelope, a teeny tiny little ledger. I just thought that was cute. Now, that is supposed to be here. There we go. One of my favorite laces here. A piece of pink doily here. So that's supposed to be there. Then we flip it, and this card that I embellished completely with some snippet, applique, some washi, and some lace. And I think that turned out really pretty. And I just love those little heart paper clips, one of my favorites. And that is all. Short but sweet and packed, in my opinion, just packed full of a lot of cute, beautiful deliciousness. And a little hand journal. This is the size, not much bigger than the palm of your hand. I think it's adorable. All right, guys, this is in my Etsy shop along with those digital papers if you wanted to do the papers. And I thank y'all for watching. Talk again soon. Bye.